From extrusion to precision rolling and straightening, every process defines our quality. Our high-tonnage extrusion presses transform heated aluminum billets into precise seamless tubes and profiles. With state-of-the-art molds and adjustable extrusion parameters, we can produce a wide range of alloys from 1 to 7 series, meeting diverse industry requirements. This process ensures consistent wall thickness, smooth surfaces, and uniform structure right from the start. Rolling refines the structure, enhances strength, and ensures high-dimensional accuracy. Through continuous compression and extension, the microstructure becomes denser and more uniform. This process improves mechanical properties, wall thickness uniformity, and surface finish. It's the key step for producing high-performance, seamless aluminum tubes. Straightening ensures perfect roundness and smooth surface. Ultrasonic inspection guarantees structural reliability. From production to shipment, we ensure safe delivery to global clients, exporting to Turkey, Mexico, and over 20 countries worldwide. Reliable aluminum solutions for your business. Contact us for specifications and quotation.